The amazing drama you're about to see is a matter of human record. You may believe it or not.
Are wood pallets safe for reuse projects?
So before you get here and unfold your genius, you normally start here and encounter some of these lil fellas. Markings? What do they mean? Let's eyeball them. Verified by the Package Research Laboratory. 2-letter country code followed by a company registration number. Heat treatment. International Plant Protection Convention used for international shipping. More details can be found in our description box.